Hi, welcome to another class. In this class we're gonna talk a little bit about shared folders. Shared folders in VirtualBox is a very important tool for transfer files over the VM and host machine. You can transfer behind local network, but this is a very powerful tool for transfer files too. So let's go to the VirtualBox for review how this tool works. First of all, start your VM. In my case, I'm gonna use the Windows 10. This tool needs the VirtualBox Guest Edition for works okay. For activate shared folders, let's go to the machine settings and click on shared folders icon. Here we don't have folders. For create a new shared folder, click on this add button. Select this folder. I'm gonna create a new folder on my desktop, a folder called test. So okay, this folder has been created here, and select open. Select auto mount and make permanent, and okay. And okay. Sure, back in again in our machine, click on File Explorer. And here we have a new shared folder mounted automatically with test name. So opening this folder is this empty, but we're gonna make some tests. First, I'm gonna create a new test file, call it test VM. So okay, going to our host system and open the folder, we have a new file called test VM. If I copy some file for this folder, this file is automatically created here, and I can manage these files in the host machine and two in the VM. So that's it. This tool works in the Windows, Linux, or other systems that you install in your VirtualBox. And see you in the next class.